everyone nowadays, in all countries all over the world, are 24/7 whole body irradiated wherever they are. So in that sense, the whole biotope, everything living on the planet, is at jeopardy. They were not developed in an evolution based on microwaves. The natural levels of microwave radiation here on this planet are extremely low. And suddenly we turn a knob and start to send out, and all these signals hit your body, go through your body, and the question is it built for it? And of course it's not. These electromagnetic fields and waves and signals, they carry energy, and it's like pouring energy into any kind of biological system. You will have alterations, changes, and of course cell growth, for instance, and cell growth is the same as cancer. Scientists has also shown that, for instance, microwaves can destroy the bonds in the DNA molecule, which is the basis of your genetic material, and such damages could be the starting point, for instance, for cancer development. So it's very serious data.